Hello, I'm Jules and I run IKEA I live in Malaysia. IKEA Hackers is a website where we showcase the things that people have done to their IKEA, whether to modify, personalize and hack it into something unique. IKEA Hackers started in 2006 when I was trying to furnish my own apartment, and that was when I started searching for ideas, and I found that there were hacks floating all around the internet. So I decided to compile them all into one website, and that's when IKEA Hackers started. Safety at work or even at home when you're doing DIY projects is vital, and we should not compromise on our safety at all. I must admit I have not worn a lot of working gloves before, and the reason why was because I always thought they were uncomfortable and clumsy to use, and in our Malaysian weather it made my hands hot and sweaty. Honestly, I did not know about soft touch before this, and when they contacted me I was curious, so I went on the website and I was surprised at the range of gloves that they offered and the research that has gone into them. I must say, after I met up with soft touch, my perception of using gloves really changed. They actually turned out to be much more comfortable than I expected, and really helped me to grip my power tools and use it much better. I tried a few gloves from Soft Touch, and I really like them, especially the gardening gloves. Reuse it, it's light and airy and has a mesh-like thing so that your hands doesn't get hot and humid inside the gloves. I also like the Ergo Tech. It really fits really well, and I can even pick up small screws, so it's really good for precision work. I would recommend the white gloves for like spray painting and paint jobs, and I like that it is white so that if you get paint on your fingers you can actually tell easily. And if you are working with material with sharp edges like glass or tile, I would recommend the basic range because it is tougher and it's more cut resistant. From this experience, my perception about using gloves really changed. I used to think that they were clumsy and comfortable and hot, but after trying out these gloves, I realized that they are really comfortable to use and they protect my hands really well, and it adds another extra layer of protection whenever I do woodworking or painting and different DIY jobs. From me personally, one of my favorite hacks that I have done is the Frosta stool, which I modified into a wall lamp. From our followers and readers on IKEA Hackers, we actually have a list of the top 10 hacks every year. So some of them include this coffee table made from magazine racks, and cat litters, and so much more. One recent hack that really went viral was the one that was submitted by Tina. It's actually a bridal dress helper, so that you can use it to help the bride go to the bathroom. I'm really concentrating on my garden at the moment, so my upcoming project is a potting table modified from the Hashni range. We just celebrated our 13th anniversary on IKEAHackers.net, and IKEA Hacks will always be our main thing, but we hope to introduce more thematic hacks as well as videos, as well as maybe home tours. I'm a self-taught DIYer, and I believe that many of you who come and visit IKEA Hackers are also. So do not compromise on your safety. Even as we learn to use our tools more, we should also increase in our knowledge of safety so that we can always stay safe and enjoy our hacking. If you want to find out more about IKEA Hacks, you can always go to our website, IKEAHackers.net, or connect with us through social media. We are on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. See you.